Today I'm going to show you how to assemble and attach the new Hydra-Tools Endurance Reel. The main tube is extendable, which makes it really easy to fit your pool. The straps to attach the cover slide into the tube next. These are normally placed about 60 centimetres apart. We make the tube at least 30 centimetres wider than the pool cover and lock it into place. Screw the hand wheels onto the ends of the tube. Attach the rubber feet or casters to the bottom of the end frame. If you ordered a mobile version, it will be supplied with casters and they screw into the bottom of the legs. Slide the frame over the axle at each end and secure with the locking collar. Now we position the straps and start to attach to the pool cover. Attach the strap to the pool cover by punching a hole through the cover and screwing the plastic bolt through. Adjust the length of each strap if needed using the buckle. Check the blanket winds onto the reel evenly. That's it! A roller reel makes it easy to use a floating pool cover. Remember to protect the pool cover when it's stored on the reel by keeping it covered with a heat reflective overcover. These are available from your pool equipment supplier.